Okay, I'll just show you again one of my project. This is a 3 by 3 LED matrix. So I'll just give you some. Okay, um, below is the battery in the box, and then next is my development board. I made it powered by Atmega, and then above is those LEDs. So quite messy, but still on quite good already. Okay, so okay, powered by 9-volt battery and into voltage regulator. Let's just show you how it work. Oh, hold on. Yeah, it's I just have some code on the internet, but it's I've been working on with my very own code just to run this thing. See, it's nice thing. You can just simply put in your sala or whatever that your friends can see it. You can fraud of it actually. So I just show you the board that it is based from. So I made my own development board right here. This one is a 5-volt. I just some of it has a voltage regulator. So this is just simple, is it? You can see below, this is only a prototype PCB, but I like it much since you can create mini project much faster. Okay, alright, so back to the other thing that I made also. I had this Christmas tree I found in the garbage actually, so but I like it, so you can put some pictures in the backs. What I did is I add this LED around, how many, there's a lot actually, and then from the back you can see what I did. Oh, quite actually not quite that neat, but still working on. I'm trying to find out if we can minimize those things. Right, this is what I said. This can be powered by a 3.7 volt onwards into 5. I just have you take a look at this one. Let's have some. Alright, that's it. Voila. Okay, you can program anything design you want by just using my board. Okay, we'll go back to my board here. So this is it. I have a lot of modules. First I made module is this H-bridge. You can just simply put in here, and also this one, it's a relay with the mini breadboard. You can simply swap in here, and from above a mini breadboard for anything that you want. Simple. See, stackable module into my development board. And then you can see from here, this is my object avoidance. This is a object avoidance which I put in my car before. Now I just remove it because I'm planning something new. And from the previous one, you can put this board here, something like that. Alright, have you seen that one? Right? Okay, just update you some of my videos. Thank you.